Ayan si Salar! Salar!
Go!
Okay, yan. Nag-slide na kami dyan. Yan. Okay, let's go, let's go! Good morning mga kawapu. Today we're going to sled. Namimiss na daw ng mga bata yung sledding. And then it is a very nice day. Sunny, positive 1. Ayun. Lalabas kami para langhap ng sariwang hangin, syempre. Panda rin natin sa sasakyan. Maganda panahon ngayon. Yung mga bata, gusto nila yung mga hype, no? Mga hyper, yung mga ganon. Anggunin ko muna yung sled pala dito sa garahe. Dito siya. Sigurado marami itong mga nag-sled ngayon. Kasi Sabado. Yan. Ayun. Dito yung mga pang-sled natin. Ayan o. Ito. Wow! Yan. Ayan. Meron ba tayo doon isa? Ito. So, dali natin ang dalawa. Actually, itong isa kaso masyado na itong maliit para kay Salar. So, ito na lang. Ito ang dalawa. Bring that. Just two. Yeah, bring it. Anong gagawin dyan? Mahapin? Wala pa nga sa'yo din. Nagkalat ka na. Okay, dali. Lagyan na natin dito. Ako na. Hold this. Yun, the kids are ready now for sledding. Naka-prepare na sila. Dapat proper gear. Do you have hand gloves? Audrey, Salar, you have hand gloves? You have brief? Okay.
Here's Bob.
Dito tayo sa Pegasus Boulevard. Gusto ko Pegasus na to eh. So we gonna go over there by the top of the road, by the top of the hill. I hope they have enough snow. I hope so. They have enough snow, right?
They do. That's a big mountain.
Huh?
Wow!
Yeah?
That's a big mountain.
Dito pala. Yan. Step natin. Nandiyan na.
Siler. Siler! 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 Come!
Okay. Come on.
You're gonna fall. Siler's gonna fall.
No.
Alone.
Nandito na nga.
No.
Tyler, wait. Madami silang sled din. Ayun.
Tyler, you forgot this one. Tyler.
Hindi na nakapag-antay si Tyler, oh. Nag-sled na.
Also have this one.
You can have it.
I don't want that one.
Just the same thing.
I want the other one.
Huh?
I want the other one.
Yeah, pakitin muna si Tyler.
Tyler can have this one.
Come on, come on.
Papa, Let me push you then. Oh, come on, man.
Salar, ito sa'yo. Gamitin mo to. You can use this one.
It's good and good. Auntie, was it fun? I can. You just want that one.
Uy, ayos.
Sit back here. Sit
Back, sit back.
Sit back. Here.
Here.
No, here. Sit back here.
Try mo muna to. Sige na. And then put your hand in here.
Push
Yeah.
me.
Slowly lang. Ayan si Salar. Salar!
Go.
Okay, yan. Nag-slide na kami dyan. Yan. Okay, let's go. Woo. Ay. Good, very good. That was a long one. Yeah, try here. Yeah?
I'm coming by myself.
Okay.
Daddy, give me a hold on tight.
Okay.
Daddy pushed me.
Okay.
So, where else is she going?
You ready?
Yeah, go. What? No.
Wait. Wait, there's a kid. Wait. There's a kid. Okay, you can go.
Ako na yata ang pinakamagandang lalaki sa mundo.
Yan, tapos na yung mga bata mag-enjoy. Did you enjoy, Siler? How about you, Audrey? Did you enjoy? Yeah? Yan, pero mainit din ha. Mainit kahit ganun. Ay. But the thing is, yeah. Kailangan mapagod tong mga bata para tumahimik.